Hi, grade threes. Great to see you've gotten to the part of this lesson that involves you starting your task. You've revised the buah-buahan and the sayur-sayuran, the fruits and the vegetables. We've revised our colours, which is helpful, and I've also revised the words that you used last week that are used to describe adjectives. So now that you've done that, we're going to use the same skills that we used last week to write ourselves a clue or a few clues about a chosen fruit or vegetable. It's called What's Behind the Door. So you will need to have close by your kata baru because you're going to be picking one or two of these. It's up to you how many you do. Okay, you'll need that close by. Your heading today is apa itu. Apa itu. So at the top of your page, you're going to write apa itu. And this means, what is it? I wonder what is behind my door. So your job will be to write a sentence about the colour, and then you're going to write a sentence about its appearance. Remember, using those adjective words that we had learnt about. I'm going to model for you this now. But I want you to all make sure that when you finish your clues, that your last sentence says sayuran apa itu or buah apa itu. So what veggie is it? What fruit is it? Today, I think it's going to be very obvious when I start my sentence if I am doing a buah, a fruit, or a sayuran, a vegetable. So my first sentence today, I'm going to write, behind my door, I have sayuran ini berwarna jingga dan hijau. So my fruit, so this fruit, sayuran ini berwarna. Sayuran ini berwarna. Have you figured it out already? I'm doing a vegetable, sayuran. Sayuran ini berwarna jingga. What's jingga? Orange, you're right. Dan. So I'm giving two colors. So I use my connector, dan. Hijau. What is hijau? It's what? It's green, you're right. Sayuran ini berwarna jingga dan hijau. This vegetable is the color of jingga dan hijau, orange and green. What veggies do you know that are orange and green? Let's see if my next clue gives you a bit more information. Sayuran ini, so I start with the same sentence. Sayuran ini. Remember, our sentences start with either buah ini, this fruit is, sayuran ini, this vegetable is. Okay, so pick that one and run with it. Use that in both sentences as you're writing. So sayuran ini, and then I'm going to write panjang, which if you remember in the slides, that means long, dan keras, which means and hard. So I've just written sayuran ini, this vegetable is panjang, is long, dan keras, and hard. What veggie could be long and hard? And then I finish my sentence with sayuran apa itu. Sayuran apa itu. What veggie is it? What veggie is it? And that is on the slide. So if you've forgotten how to write that, go back to the slides. What veggie could it be? This veggie is the color of orange and green. Sayuran ini berwarna jingga dan hijau. Sayuran ini panjang dan keras. This vegetable is long and hard. What veggie is it? What do you think it might be? Remember, we must use those sentence starters, and they are in the slide. Let's have a look. Wortel. The answer to my clues is wortel. Okay, so all of my clues gave you a heads up to that. All right, good luck with your writing. If you need help, send me a message. Sampai jumpa.